Hi, hey, good morning. I wanted to show you my new to me Howard Miller wall clock. It's the model 612485. I don't think it has a name that's associated with it. Gorgeous, gorgeous clock. Uh, it's let me see, about 52 inches tall, weighs about 50 pounds. Not sure if that includes the weights or not. I picked this up in Brooklyn, New York yesterday. It was purchased in the 1970s. I purchased it from the original owner. He said that it was purchased for $500 from a gallery in Brooklyn Heights. It's called the Suma Gallery. He said it's a very well-known gallery, so I don't know anything about it. He said they ran it for about 10 years and then moved to the Upper East Side. And he said they never had a place to put it, so they put it in a closet, and it sat there for 30 years. So anyway, it's just a very, very nice clock, a Howard Miller. It's a Gong strike, obviously a weight-driven clock with the seconds bit. The right side being time, the left side being gong. So it's got a coiled gong in the back. So let's see how she sounds. I think I've got the beat set fairly well. And both the weights. The clock is just in beautiful, beautiful condition for being as old as it is. It was very well taken care of because it was never used that much. So let's see how it strikes on the half hour, a single gong, and then it strikes on the hour, counts out the hours. So let's see what 10 o'clock sounds like. There, very nice. Yeah, it's nothing really fancy, just a nice little, nice little wall clock. There's some details of the top. Hangs on one nail. I use a big wood screw, and it's got four little like buttons in the back that actually contact the wall, so the whole clock doesn't sit up against the wall. Doesn't have the other jeweler's regulators that I have glass on the sides. This one doesn't. It's just a case. I don't think this model came with with any glass on the side. So anyway, well, that's about all I have to say about that clock. It's marked Howard Miller and USA. That's all the markings I can find. Has I believe if I say this right, a Kenninger movement in it. So anyway, all right, that's my latest new to me clock. I hope you like watching the video. Thanks. Bye.